We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show how you can follow people on Apple Music. If by following people you mean that you would like to start looking after or just follow an artist, an existing artist in the Apple Music, you'll need to open its artists page and here start by tapping at the star icon here. And now you can enable notifications and be immediately notified once this or that artist has a new release coming in or a new song uploaded to Apple Music. If by following people you mean other Apple Music users, such as yourself, go into search, find whatever user you would like to follow by using the search bar and selecting the profile section. Like, let's say I'll go with this one, for example, and then simply tap at the follow button here, get started, set up your profile, just follow. Here you can follow your friends if the Apple Music will find any of them using the Apple Music and having their email address or phone number linked to their respective profile, of course. And once everything is set up, you can start following people here. And as you can see, I'm now following this random John Doe profile. And at your Apple Music profile, you'll also find the Follow More Friends button, which you can tap. And as I've already mentioned earlier in this video, if there will be any people from your contacts that have their Apple Music account or profile linked to their phone number or email address, you'll find them here and you'll be able to start following them as well. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.